Hi friends, welcome to my channel Malik Raw Food, where I discuss raw food recipes that do not require any kind of frying, roasting, cooking, any kind of heating, just healthy eating. Today we will be discussing sesame laddu, and this is a Mother's Day special so that kids can make this laddu and serve it to their mothers with lots of love and affection. So, what makes this special? Sesame laddu is something that is popular in India, but in this version we replace jaggery with dates, and sesame seeds have lots of healthy benefits by which blood pressure is reduced, cholesterol is reduced, it is high in plant protein, and I think it has got high amounts of calcium. Dates give lots of iron. This is very healthy, and believe me, it is absolutely tasty as well. The ingredients that it requires are very simple. This makes about 12 laddus, 1/4 kg of sesame seeds, soft dates about 10 of them, 4 to 6 cloves. So basically, you take the soft dates, remove the seeds from them. The dates have to be really soft. We want to grind these dates into a soft paste. For this purpose, we can use a normal mortar and grinder that is available at home. Also drop 4 to 6 cloves that can give a specific flavor to the homemade sesame laddus that we will make today. The pounding of the dates really doesn't take much time as it may appear here. Just a couple of minutes and then you will be done. We'll also take some 10 or so cashews and add them to the laddus that we will be making. We want the cashews to be felt in the mouth. That means the cashew should not become powdery like or very small pieces. At this time, we will take a bowl and have the dates and the cashews in the bowl. To this, we will add sesame seeds. These are the white variety, not the black variety of the sesame seeds. Now, when we add these sesame seeds, we want to make sure that we do not pour all of the 250 grams at once. Based on the softness and stickiness of the dates that we will be using, the quantity that we will use of sesame seeds will vary. Therefore, we want to take some amount of sesame seeds, maybe half a cup or something initially, and as needed, we will add more of it. The idea is to ensure that the mixture is not very sticky. It should be relatively dry. This kind of a texture where it is sticking very much to the fingers is not good enough. So, whenever you feel so, you can add a little more of the sesame seeds and keep adding so until you are satisfied that this has enough of gluiness so that the sesame seeds, the mixture is able to stick to itself but not so much to your fingers. After we are satisfied and the mixture is ready, we want to make this into small balls, fist sized balls. Now there is a trick to this as to how to make these balls easily. We want to wash our hands completely and then apply some kind of a lubricant such as coconut oil as we are making the balls. Once in a while, you may want to repeat this so that the laddus can be made easily without sticking to your fingers. Like I said in the beginning of this video, today being Mother's Day, May 10th, I brought it up as a Mother's Day special so that kids or elders can equally make this, men or women, and give it to their mothers with their love and affection. I am sure your mother will be very happy to taste this and enjoy it as much as you would do when you are making this. If you have enjoyed watching this video, I strongly recommend that you make these laddus for yourself, and also please like this video and subscribe to my channel without forgetting to click on the notifications bell icon. Thank you.